Risk is a familiar term for all of us, and risk tolerance is a familiar term for people working in investment and finance industry. What is risk tolerance? Why does it matter? If you see, whenever we choose an investment vehicle, the first thing we see whether it caters to our financial goals. We look into three main aspects, that is safety, liquidity and return perspective. But there are some other aspects as well that we have to look into before choosing it as an investment vehicle, and one such aspect is risk tolerance. We have our investment expert Mr. Gurraj with us, who will enlighten us about risk tolerance and also say its importance in our investment portfolio. Gurraj, the stage is all yours.
And understand how much risk you can take. There could be many thumb rules. You can ask yourself, when market corrected last time, how did I feel it? Was I able to hold on to my investment, or did I go and withdraw my investment? All this will point out how much risk you can take. For example, when market corrected in 2020 by 40%, what did you do? Did you go and withdraw your money? Did you stop your SIPs? Which means, boss, you are not willing to take risk. Instead, if you have put more money, then you are willing to take risk. So understand it. The risk will be judged only when the incident happens. Till then, we'll never feel it is risky. For example, market keeps going to tomorrow 20,000, 21,000. We will feel there is no risk. Actually, that is when the risk is starting, right? Markets keep going up because your risk is increasing. Yeah. So please understand how much risk you can take. It could be anything. You may say, boss, I want to have a maximum loss of 25%. That is what I can take. Then accordingly, take the equity exposure. Having invested in equity funds or shares, you can't come and say, boss, I cannot get negative return. Even in debt funds, you will get negative returns. So you need to be clear about that. Yeah.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.